Hello world, this is my video submission for CS50W Project 1 Wiki. So I'm going to start by showing you my entries. So if I type Wiki and in the URL section and type Python, then it'll bring me to the Python page. If I type, for example, Django, then it'll bring me to the Django page. And if I type one that doesn't exist, entry in my URL, then it'll tell you 404HLOL doesn't exist. Go to home to view all available entries. And here's the link. So this is my index page. As you can see, all of them are labeled in these bullet points of all available entries that have been made. So I have CSS, I have Django, and as you can see, all of these links, I can press these links to view that entry. And now I'm going to search for an entry. If I search, for example, for Wiki, then it will bring me to the Wiki page. But if I type W, then it'll tell me your search may match these options. And that'll give me two entries, for example, that include the word Wiki, or W in this case. Now I'm going to create a new page. As you can see, I can create a title, so I can name it, for example, CS50W, and then the great course to learn web design. And if I want to make it italics, right here, as you can see, this is markup. If I press save, then it will turn it into italics, as it will change my markup into HTML for you to be able to see it. And now I'm going to create a page again, but this time I'm going to create one that already exists. So if I'm going to create CSS and I press save, it will redirect me back to the create page place, but instead it pops an error. So it says title/name already exists. Please change. Now I'm going to edit a page. So going back to my home, and if I go to CSS and I press edit, as you can see it's a link, it will pre-populate all of the form area. So as you can see, title, CSS, content, it will automatically turn it back to markup instead of the usual HTML right here that you see. So I can quickly edit this. For example, put be used together. Then I can press submit. And then as you can see, it has changed it, be used. And then again, you can change this back like so. Now I'm going to have a random page. So here's a link, and then it'll direct you back to random pages. So right now it's HTML, then to Django, and then Wiki, and the HTML again, JIT, and then again and again. So now I'll be discussing about markup. Again, if you see that if I do this, and then I actually change it, like so, then again, it's still in italics. And right here, I can do this, and then I'll change it to a smaller title. And again, an even smaller one. So this is markup, and yeah. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.